I will be presenting tonight and introducing you to this amazing opportunity called EPIC, Exceptional People, Incredible Compensation. So I'm going to ask you a question before we really launch into this. Have you ever wanted to be first, at least once in your life? First in line, first at the amusement park, first at the movie theater, first at the restaurant. Haven't you ever wanted to be first at least once in your life? Well, EPIC is going to give you that opportunity. It's going to give you that opportunity to be first in the company, this brand new, amazing platform in the Forex industry. It's going to give you that opportunity to be first. So who exactly are we? EPIC is a global company that provides the environment for people of all backgrounds to learn the lifelong skill of Forex trading while also pursuing their financial dreams and goals. And we all have those, right? Our team has more than 100 years combined of successful business and MLM experience. That is amazing. 100 years behind all of our leaders. It's an industry-leading Forex trading educational platform. Our Forex traders and trainers are 7- and 8-figure earners in the Forex industry. So absolutely, those are the people that you want to learn this from. And huge thing, we are 100% debt free. There is no debt in our company, so you never have to worry about that. Our leadership is literally epic. Led from the front with our founder, Mr. David McCovey, our president, Spencer Iverson, our VP of sales, Mr. Mark Sterling, oh my goodness, our VP of business development, David Lisiaga, our global master ambassador, Jonathan Green, and our director of Forex training. You can find her everywhere. Coach Max. This lady is absolutely amazing. And this leadership team literally set the foundation for a massive movement. So what exactly is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the act of buying and selling currencies. It's used daily by banks, central banks, institutional investors, and individuals around the world. What you may not realize is when you try and log into your bank account in the middle of the night and it says undergoing maintenance, but then when you get back into it, wow, guess what? Nothing's changed, right? Actually, the bank is using the foreign exchange market. It is actually buying and selling currencies. It is a portable skill that will benefit you for life. This isn't just something that's going to only be used part of the time, maybe a couple times a year. No, this is something that you can use literally every single day of your life. And it's the largest financial market in the world. $6 trillion per day is traded. Say that one with me, $6 trillion per day. Oh my goodness. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, folks, 24 hours a day. Definitely more than the banking hours of the stock market, right? Now, EPIC gives you the services you need to be successful, all right? Live sessions, daily signals, our EPIC University, a 2-week syllabus, market forecasts, fun, interactive training communities, and so much more. I can tell you right now, people are jumping onto our trainings and loving every single second of it. Literally, EPIC makes learning Forex fun. Now, we're going to talk about another area where you can make even more money. You can sit here and you can absolutely just trade. But listen as I go over our marketing compensation plan. But before we go any further, I need to read this disclaimer to you. Remember this, all right? EPIC cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn any money with our program, information, tools, or strategies. The plan rewards you for selling products and services to customers. While the opportunity is unlimited, individual results will certainly vary depending on many factors, such as your commitment level, your individual efforts, and marketing skills that we will show you. Any and all income projections should not be considered as guarantees or projections of your actual earnings or profits. Success with a company results only from active participation and successful marketing efforts, which, guess what? They require work, commitment, and diligence on your part. Now, that being said, let's go look at the money. This is our epic compensation plan. Now, whenever you go out, guess what? You share everything, right? You share it on social media, when you have some amazing food, when you go to a really awesome location, you're sharing it with your family and friends. Well, guess what? That's exactly what this is like. This is the epic compensation plan. And when you refer 3 scholars, which is what we all are, to the program, your business is free. What? All you got to do is bring on 3 people. Let 3 people know. They will turn around. They will come on, and your business is now free. Now, our Founder 500, when your team gets to 10, which means your 3 got 3, right? You will be paid $125 a week. Weekly. Yes, we have weekly pay here. $125 a week or $500 a month. Founder 1000 is when your team grows to 30. So your 3 got 3, their 3 got 3. So you're at 30. That gives you $250 a week or $1,000 a month. Founder 2000, 80 total team members. Again, just everybody get 3. And you're at $500 a week, at equaling up to $2,000 a month. Now, I really need you to look at this because $2,000 a month is what so many in the world are making weekly, all right? Or, sorry, monthly. $2,000 a month is what they're making every month. This is what they're living on. This can actually replace somebody's income, right? Founder 5,000 is when your 3 got 3, their 3 got 3, right? It adds up to 250 people, but look at the numbers now. $1,250 a week. Most people make that every 2 to 3 weeks. $1,250 though a week or $5,000 a month. You've now doubled somebody's income potentially, right? They're paying their bills and they're saving money. These numbers are life-changing, and it just comes from starting out and getting 3. Our ambassador program, you started Ambassador 10 with 500 total team members. That's $2,500 a week. That could be somebody's monthly check for you in 1 week, right? $10,000 a month. Ambassador 20, 1,000 total team members. $5,000 a week. Say that with me, $5,000 a week, $20,000 a month. My goodness, what could you do with $20,000 a month? All from just getting 3 and telling those 3 to get 3. Ambassador 50, 2,500 total team members, $12,500 a week, equaling out to $50,000 a month. My goodness, that's a new car. That could be a heck of a down payment on a new home. Again, these numbers are life-changing. This goes all the way through our icon level and finally our epic level, which is $250,000 a week, $1 million a month. And folks, don't sit there and think this is impossible, because we already have people who are lined up and hitting epic. I promise you that. This is absolutely insane. This compensation plan is amazing. So here's our epic launch strategy, because you always want to plan, right? Well, we pre-launched epic on September the 1st. The first 40,000 people to lock in their spot for $19.99 has been changed to the first 50,000 people get to lock in their spot for $19.99. You do not want to wait, folks. This is not something that will ever come again, okay? You want to lock in your spot for $19.99. You want to get back to the person who invited you to this webinar, lock arms with them, and lock in your spot for $19.99. Then you can go onto 4 live Zoom presentations a day. You can invite your friends, colleagues to these Zoom presentations, get your 3 and help them get their 3, right? Then on October 1st, we are going live. That is our official launch. No longer is there a $19.99 spot, folks. It is now $99 to join Epic. So again, you do not want to miss out on this. Finally, the Ambassador Retreat. Remember, that's 500, right? So you want to run, you want to help others run, and all go to the Ambassador Retreat, which will be held by our Epic company. Right now, we're looking at Mexico, but you know how travel is right now. It's kind of fluctuating a little bit. So right now, to be determined, but we are definitely looking at Mexico. Get to that ambassador level, make it to that retreat. Come join us. Let's all have fun together in an epic way. So, how to become epic? Well, first, this says visit epictrading.com and select join us. However, I'm going to tell you this right now. Get back with the person who invited you to this webinar, and they will send you their personalized link. When you get to that link, select join us. All right, lock in your pre-launch position today for $19.99. Begin to build and structure your organization and get ready for the official launch in October 2020. But wait, here is a news flash, okay? Your Epic pre-enrollment is not just building, right? Because I said you could just come in and trade, right? Folks, your Epic pre-enrollment investment includes access to more than 60 live trading training sessions. We are getting ready to unleash all of our university throughout the entire month of September from documented and talented Forex traders. A great value, all for only $19.99. So if all you want to do is learn how to trade Forex, guess what? You absolutely can. Get in now for $19.99. Folks, this is literally the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle community, and you want to lock your spot in today.